What if the one thing you need the most this December is closer than you think? Stick around. Today's show just might be for you. Good morning, Babugeli, and welcome to your Affordable Network live show, courtesy of Eswatini Mobile. I am your host, and I'll be handling today's proceedings, of course, with my favorite girl. Hey. Nana, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. How are you? Hi, good. Facebook family. Kamalaming Nana, and I'm so excited to be here with you guys today. Njengoba December sekafigile, you know Eswatini Mobile is back with more and more surprises. So make sure you stay tuned because we're about to take you on a joyride with Eswatini Mobile.
Thanks, Nana. So before, Nana, we get into today's big reveal, I want us to breathe a little and reflect on the year that's been 2025 for Eswatini Mobile, and of course, how we impacted lives of Emaswati throughout the year.
Of course, starting with the fan favorite, Let's Pay Your Bill, where we were just surprising customers by paying their bills in all the partnered shops.
Yeah, big one, of course. We didn't end there. We went on to win or to give away the iPhone 16 Pro Max with our Win an iPhone 16 Pro Max giveaway, just rewarding customers for simply recharging their numbers. Amazing, right?
Amazing. Not forgetting Kaya, where you only just needed to reactivate a dormant number for you to win a Samsung A16. How exciting was that?
Guys, we're busy throughout the year. We went deeply and intimately with our initiatives by going on a school fees paying spree. Of course, just to get them closer to their dreams now.
Of course, and because we care about every part of the community, we also went to empowering girls with sanitary pads and school shoes, just to keep everyone good for the year.
Yeah, we were so deep with our mission and our vision throughout the year because we also, we also went on to give away Go Grab the Red Trolley promotion. Grab the Red Trolley. We went on to make sure the trolleys were filled with smiles and goodies to keep people happy throughout my families and my communities.
Of course, and the one favorite thing for me is just before winter, we also made sure that we sent some warmth to all the elders by providing them with very warm blankets. So this has been a beautiful and a heartfelt year for Eswatini Mobile.
Heartwarming indeed. Nope, we weren't done because just recently we gave away an iPhone 17 Pro Max, a reward to customers for simply doing what, Nana?
Just for loading 100 Malangini only.
Eswatini Mobile truly has been busy throughout the year of 2025, making smiles and making all our customers happy. And I want us now, Nana, to get into the real impact, why we've been going through this all throughout 2025.
Of course, because all these initiatives are only designed with one goal, which is to strengthen the relationship of Eswatini Mobile with you, our valued customer.
And that's not all, because Eswatini Mobile is not just a network Neatimos. Eswatini Mobile is family. And what does family do, Nana? We celebrate and we empower each other, which has been our core mission throughout the year of 2025. But I'm sure, Babugele Makai, you are tired of the yipping and yapping between me and Nana. So we are going to take a very short break, and when we come back, our head of commercial, Miss Nosipho Xaba, takes on the role of Santa Claus and reveals our big surprise. Siyabuya. Welcome back to your Affordable Live Network show. Ngishitoke before the break, Gutsi Mrs. Klaus is going to be joining me. Ms. Kaba, good morning.
Hi Ngamiso, hi babukeli emakhaya. Njengoba ngicamsebenzisa kaShito, Nosipho Xaba, head of commercial at Eswatini Mobile.
Yeah, I'm so excited today, and I can see your smile. Says we've got a big surprise for Babukeli Emakhaya. Would you like to do the honors?
Of course, the moment we've all been waiting for. And Ngamiso, I must say, Nina Nana, you did an incredible job.
Thank you.
Ni recap what Eswatini Mobile has been doing since January 2025. It has been a great year for you, my customer Eswatini Mobile, for you, Maswatila Mahle, and Asikaqedzi. We have a big, beautiful, exciting, joyful, cheerful surprise for you. This December, we say, win a red Christmas trolley with 2,000 emalangeni. All of this could be yours. The only question we'll be asking you is, do you have a Eswatini Mobile SIM card active? If the answer is yes, then it is you walking away with this trolley. Now, let me explain how this promotion will go down.
Please.
So, Ngamiso, we have a calendar.
Okay.
Right? So we're saying win a red Christmas trolley this December with Eswatini Mobile, right? And then what Eswatini Mobile will be doing, we'll be going to selected retail shops. We have 4 of them.
Okay.
MB Veni, also known as EMI, Spars, ShopRite, and Pick and Pay. So these retails, we've partnered with them. They are in this calendar. The calendar is kick off tomorrow.
Okay.
We will go up to the 24th, Christmas Eve. We will still be shopping for Christmas.
Okay.
For the 25th. So, like I said, only one question matters. Do you have an Eswatini Mobile SIM card? Is it active? Is it with you? At the point of paying, while you're queuing there at Spar, at Pick and Pay, at EMI, Eswatini Mobile will be there inside that shop, ready to surprise my customer Ake with a red trolley with 2,000 emalangeni. So, angithi-ke sowumile Tilin, right? So shophile. I-grocery yakhe macanza akhona, choice assorted akhona, bo peanut butter,
The
marshmallows,
important stuff.
bobo, cocomelon, and everything else, bo rice, chuck, ram steak, whatever you need for your Christmas table, you've bought. So mile ke Tilin. Eswatini Mobile will randomly pick a till. Let's say till number 3, Ngamiso, or till number 7, and then we go to that till. The first one on that queue, we ask, do you have a Eswatini Mobile SIM card with you? If that customer says yes, ta-da, is their lucky day, we pay. If no, we move on to the second person on that line. Ganjalo. So it is that simple.
Okay.
So, Ngamiso, my advice I have for my customer Eswatini Mobile, for Emazwati onke, is that if you do not have a SIM card, please rush to our vendors, rush to our shops, rush to Pick and Pay, Spar. All of these shops, they have our SIM card. Get yourself a Eswatini Mobile SIM card. It is free. The SIM card is free. And if you did have a Eswatini Mobile SIM card in the past, but for some reason you lost it, please rush and do a SIM swap.
Okay.
So please remind them how we do a SIM swap, because I really want everyone to win this trolley.
A SIM swap is free. Thank you, Nasipho. SIM swap is free. Titolo tethu ke dinmele ke ukuthi ufike namatise wakho ke wena utawusuya deactivate la ino-froze yakho loyithanza ko bese khace inombolo yakho iyasebenza kanjalo. I have a question ke Nasipho ukuthi, let's say because nithi you want the number to be with me. Uyafika ungikhanza ukuthi ngiyishiye emotweni encenye, what happens then?
The rule is simple. The SIM card has to be with you. If it's in the car, goodness, why would you leave Eswatini Mobile in the car? Why would you do that? Besides, like I said, we will communicate. The calendar will be shared on our website. Today, onke Emma Media Houses are publishing this launch, so the calendar is already out there. We'll be posting it on our socials, so you will be made fully aware prior where we will be at. So there's no need.
Okay.
Don't do that to yourself. Don't leave this beautiful red SIM card or your beautiful phone in the car while Eswatini Mobile is there, now ready to pay for your Christmas groceries. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. So.
And is there like an age limit?
Oh, yes. Now, we do have my customer lab below 18 years of age, right?
Okay.
We love you. We love you, appreciate you. I mean, truly, maybe if the regulator were to allow us sometime in the future, we'll create something for you. But for now, this competition is only open to 18-year-olds and above. Because, I mean, those are the people we don't want you to take your allowance and now we are busy buying groceries. Let the parents do it for you. Let Eswatini Mobile do it for you through your parents. Ne? We'll figure out what to do for the small ones.
Because we care. Ngiyathemba ke sinivile babukele ekhaya ukuthi Christmas is even redder this year with Eswatini Mobile giving away 2,000 worth of emagrosa ke kuthi lokhona kuthatha tonke letimfo tenu ke lentithandzako tinongonongo tenu lentithandzako. So lastly, Nosipho, any words of encouragement before we shoot fire with our promotion?
Well, I do have one advice for our customers. We want this December to be joyful, cheerful, full of smiles, delight. So please, please get that SIM card. Now, I don't want you regretting anything. Take regrets, throw them in the bin. Just enjoy this December with Eswatini Mobile. We are your only partner this December. Only partner this December. I mean, you will be feasting because of us. So why would you look at Magdalene? Why would you do that? So that's all I have to say to our lovely customers, our lovely, 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 lovely customers. And also, I'd just like to thank Eswatini Mobile for all these things that you named, Ngamiso. I mean, it's really, really beautiful. And I don't know how they do it, to be honest, you guys. And I hope we don't take it for granted. Because when we created this network, it was for you. And I think Eswatini Mobile has demonstrated that and has proven to you that this network is indeed for you. It is about you. Sitawuvala together ke umnyaka with this red Christmas trolley.
Okay, any plans or bigness of 2026 before we wrap it up?
Of course, of course. I am not allowed to reveal, but trust me, we never stop. We keep coming. We keep coming. So watch out. January, we will start the year with you. Something bigger, something great. Oh my goodness, I can already see it. It's already cooked, guys. This one, Bestie won't say any. It's already cooked. We're ready. We'll just be dishing it January 1st.
Okay, thank you so much, our head of commercial, Nosipho Xaba. Indeed, it's going to be a red Christmas, so make sure your SIM cards are ready. And of course, send khona phela titolo, because calendar is going to be shared all over our social media platforms and on our website, www.eswatinimobile.co.za. From me, myself, and Nosipho Xaba, it's what?
And Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas!
Bye.